Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted files in your Windows in a very simple way. You can see if I just delete this image from my computer, just simply this image, I'm going to delete it. And if it goes to recycle bin, you can see it's come over into recycle bin. If your file deleted from here too, then how are you going to get back them in your computer with some simple steps? For that, we can simply use PowerShell to do that or CMD prompt, but I will not going to go for a complex way to solve this problem. I'm going to go for browser and then simply search here Recuva. After that, I'm going to click on Recuva download and it will going to redirect me to this website called CC Cleaner. So I'm going to click on the Recuva free download and then you're going to get the Recuva for the free download, free Recuva. So going to click on download and after that what we're going to do, I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds and there will be a download option for the exe file. If you click on download and the download is completed over here, you can see. So right now if you click on the files option and here you will going to get the exe file over here. So if you click on it 2 times to install or simply minimize the browser, you can see the here we need to set up the Recuva. So for that we're going to click on install and you can see the setup is rightly going and here we're going to click on run Recuva and it will going to open the Recuva for your computer, you can see. So after that you need to click next and then here if you want to select the pictures and simply click next, and if you just don't know which file you deleted, and you can see that I deleted file from the recycle bin, so I'm going to select in the recycle bin. But if you're not sure where your file from, then you can simply click on I'm not sure. But I'm going to go for in the recycle bin that I can remember and simply click next and simply click start. Before you click start, you can see there is an option called enable deep scan. When you enable the deep scan, it will going to scan your whole device and it will can take that 1 hour or large drive. So it maybe take a lot of time to go for the deep scan. If you find your file into the begin search, then that's all okay. So I'm going to go for start for the beginning scan. If you get your file into in the beginning scan, then you don't need to go for the deep scan. So just go for it and you can simply see the pictures over here that you deleted from your that are deleted from my PC, you can see. But you got the concept, right? That this is the way you can simply use the Recuva, or you can simply get your deleted file from here. If you want to recover them, what you have to do, you just need to select the image you want to recover. So click on that, click on select that, select this, and then you can simply come over into this right corner, bottom right corner, recover, click on that. It will be recover into the download folder, click on that, click yes, and the recovery is successful. And this is the image you recovered from your Recuva, you can see. So this is how we can simply recover your lost files in Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.